there's the ice cream truck! I'm having chocolate today! Wow, the ice cream is so delicious! La la la! Ice cream is delicious. Why did I...
This brat will be a tasty prey.
Let my friend go!
Oren!
The kidnapper took Oren away!
Oren!
Ratty is looking for his friend in vain!
Oren! Where is he?
I have to save Oren immediately. No! The car broke down right now. I have to fix it now. I need to have a repair kit, electric cable, engine oil, spare tire, and pump to be able to quickly fix the car and chase after Oren.
To get 5 tools to repair the car, Ratty must complete 5 challenges. Each completed challenge will receive 1 tool. We will open the first blue box. Challenge 1. Ratty overcome obstacles. Control. Ratty to overcome obstacles. Cars. Fire hydrants. To get the wheel at the end of the road. Let's fight! Oh no! Let's start over. The first item found, spare tire. Unbox the next red box to see what's inside. Challenge 2. Clean up. In a room with all the items scattered on the floor, arrange the items in the right place in the mess that hides the repair kit. Challenge completed. Reward is repair kit. So we have 2 applications. Quickly find 3 more items. Challenge 3. Coloring to exchange items. Completely color the picture to exchange for the item. Electric cable. The third challenge was completed very quickly. The reward received was an electric cable. Yay! Box 4. Catapult. Shoot the stone shapes into the box they are found in. Machine oil. item to look for. Challenge 5. Find the pump. There are many hidden items under the deep sea. The player must use a net to find the pump hidden under the sea. With enough supplies, Randy was able to fix the car and catch up to the ice cream truck. Let Oren go now!
Another kid, you think you can save your friend?
I don't think so. I'm sure.
Rat, stay there!
It's not that easy. Don't underestimate me.
Ratty, you're really coming?
Of course. You think I'll leave you alone?
We need to get out of here soon. I'm scared.
Like, share, and subscribe.